Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today I'm just going to do a short video on propane and getting your money's worth. Now, this here is commonly known as a 25-pound propane container. And the reason for that is they put 25 pounds in it when you get it filled up. Now, for those of you that like to go to the big box stores, Walmart, maybe Lowe's, different places that carry these pre-filled tanks, it's important to know when you see right here, this net weight of the contents of this tank is 15 pounds. Okay, so it's got 60% of the volume that you would get if you went to a propane distributor and got this tank filled. In most cases, it would even cost you less than the convenience of this container. So if you're wanting to get your money's worth, now this was one that my daughter picked up. She was in a situation to where it was a weekend, they were closed, and she bought this. But this is something that I've always made people aware of. It's empty. I'm taking it in, get it filled for. But I pull this label off of here, and I figured I might want to let a lot of you know, because you think that you might be getting a deal whenever you get that. But like in most things, their marketing, the container's the same size, but the contents isn't. So if you want to save money, go ahead and get your bottles filled up. I know it might not be as convenient for some of you getting there in the hours that they're open, but do that. And also, I want to say a milk crate works great for a propane bottle carrier. It's really stable. Even when they're full, it won't turn over. I guess if you really slammed on the brakes or something, you might could flip it, but it's really stable to carry that way. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tip. I hope you learned something from it. And if you want to see more stuff about growing, preserving, tips on the homestead, things like that, well, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.